Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix your PS4 or PS5 controller is not working on FC25. And it really doesn't matter if you have this game on EA app or on Steam. I will show you all the fixes that you need. So the first thing what I suggest to do here, if the controller is not working, is to disable all the peripherals. So if you have connected some VRs, steering wheels, racing wheels, maybe dual controllers, try to disable all the peripherals and just plug in your controller that you're trying to play FC25. Start the game and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists and you have the game on FC25 you have on EA app, what I suggest to do first is to click on the title, go to manage, go to view properties, then open folder, then copy the path here, press on the blank space, and copy the path of FC25. Then go to Steam, go to add a game on the bottom left, then add a non-Steam game. Then go to browse, then paste the path here and look for FC25.exe file. Open up, add it here and add selected program, and FC25 should appear here. And then what we need to do here next is to click on the Steam icon on the top left, go to settings, then on settings go to controller, make sure guide button focuses Steam is enabled, then make sure if you're using PlayStation controller, make sure is enabled or enabled in games without support, but I'm using this. And then make sure idle gamepad shutdown timeout also is on never, because on default it will be 15 minutes and after 15 minutes your controller will shut down, so you don't want to do that, right? And then you just need to launch the game through Steam. Even if you had the game on EA app, launch the game here and then look if the problem persists or not. If the controller is still not working, then what I suggest you to do here is to right click on the FC25, go to properties, go to controller, and then here it should be use default settings. So what you need to do here is to change default settings, select disable Steam input and look if the problem persists. And if disable Steam input and use default settings is not working, select enable Steam input. And after that, just look if it's working or not. And still, if your PS4 or PS5 controller is not working, what I suggest to do here and what I'm using on the app is to DS4 Windows. So open up Google, just write ds4-windows.com and download it here. Then press download and save it to whatever you like. So let's save to downloads. And after it's downloaded, I will show you what you need to do here next. So as you can see here, you just need to extract DS4 Windows, for example here, right? Then what you need to do here is to click on DS4 Windows exe file, and then we need to wait for a couple of seconds. It really doesn't matter. I select this program folder, then select what you're using. If you're using PS4 controller, select this option. If you're using PS5, select this option. If you're using both, select both, right? Then close. Then this window will open up. Just then press the PlayStation button and connect it via Bluetooth or USB cable, and then your controller should appear here. And then you just need to open up EA app and play the game, and the game should work. And the best part of it, with this thing, your battery life with the DS4 Windows, you will see your controller battery life as well. So it's very convenient as well, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.